What if I told you that today's lunch is growing beside the ditch? Would you believe me?
Today we're harvesting cattails and turning them into an incredible soup. Let's find out whether one of nature's most overlooked plants deserves a place in the kitchen.
Most people think survival food means eating bugs. They usually imagine something desperate.
Sometimes nature quietly grows amazing food where nobody thinks to look. But some of the best food is hiding in plain sight.
Cattails are often recommended as one of the easiest edible wild plants to recognize.
Different parts become edible depending on the season. Almost every part of the plant can be eaten.
If you are interested in foraging for beginners, this is one plant worth learning.
Every time I walk past a patch like this, I can't help but wonder how many people have no idea they're looking at one of nature's most useful plants.
But there's one mistake people make. Never harvest from polluted water.
The young shoots are what we're after today. They're tender, mild and perfect for cooking. When you're foraging, always make sure you're 100% certain about your identification before harvesting anything.
That's a knife.
A quick rinse later and you'd never guess this was growing beside a pond just a few minutes ago. I only harvest a few from each patch. Taking less today means there will still be plenty growing here next season. It's amazing how something this ordinary can become such an incredible ingredient. You're looking for the center part, where the leaves are more flat than curved.
And here's something funny. I heard people describe the taste completely different.
Some say it tastes like cucumber. Some say sweet corn. We're about to find out. Alright, I think we got enough. Now comes the part I've been looking forward to the most. As you can see, when you're cleaning these, it can get slimy. Like I said before, you're looking for flatter leaves instead of the curved ones. And when the center is quite woody, don't use it. Okay, let's get to the cooking part. Just treat it like any other vegetable soup. So a few onions are always a solid base. And if you would ask me, don't skip on the garlic. Add whatever meat you like, but this time my soup will be vegetarian. Give your onions and garlic a quick glaze before adding the other ingredients. Don't forget the star of the show, your chopped up cattails. Choose any broth you like.
I honestly did not expect them to smell so good. Quick question, what's the one wild plant that you always wondered if you could eat? Let me know in the comments. Wow, that's so good. That's good food. This started beside a pond and ended up becoming one of my favorite soups. Yeah, and that's why I love learning these old skills. And if you're enjoying this, you're gonna love what I'm gonna build in the next video.